Itong barangay hall. Ito ang ma-held ng graduation sa grade 6. Ito ang dalawang anak ko na mag-graduate. Yung isa lang pala ang mag-graduate. So, yan. This. Ito na. Ito na ang pinakahihintay mga kaibigan. Hanggang doon. Move faster. Ito ang graduation nila sa gym, barangay stadium.
Para maarin sang kwan. Hindi man kayo doon na pabo. Doon, kabila. Kaya pag tinawag yan, magdagan-dagan mo.
Lang. Wala na, hindi ko na naabutan sila. Oh, kaway-kaway na. Yes. Grade 6 ito, grade 6.
Baso ko ako.
Nelson Mandela once said, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." Good morning, everyone. We are gathered here to recognize and appreciate the hard work and perseverance of these young individuals with their equally proud parents to celebrate their graduation, marking the end of an educational journey and the commencement of a new, more demanding pursuit towards a brighter future. So applause to the class of 2024 for conquering their dreams. Welcome to the 26th commencement exercises for a new Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all rise and witness the graduating class, committed faculty and staff of FDR Village Elementary School, stakeholder in education, the PTA official, our esteemed guests, principals and district supervisors of Tumbler District, and DepEd officials in their processional.
Salubong. Salubong. Vlogger po, no? Parang makakuha sila ng remembrance sa mga kanilang kamag-anak, mga anak, mga pinsan, mga kapamilya nila. Bakit siya natitira?
Tingin, kabuang niya mo. Siya.
Interim teachers, Crystal Jane D. Los Bañez, Anitel A. Matundi, Chris Berenice L. Tabligon, Berlie L. Sazon, Ross M. Taligid, Mary Lenny C. Cañeda, Maria Lynn D. Bitarmos. Grade 1 teachers, Jenny Rose D. Marces, Heidi G. Pliego, Catherine E. Macalao, Myla R. Lamoste, Bernadette A. Mantua, Mary Carr L. Hidato, Sophia S. Montes, Salvacion S. Venus, and Jocelyn S. Mordeliza. Grade 2 teachers, Ojenta K. A. Elise, Edeline B. Himino, Annalyn C. Tagibe, Mary Ann T. Paet, Paz G. Arancina, Shaira Hafsabi Maningpara, Lilibeth L. Villegas, and Marhama Roberto I. Yuxon Jr. And Gemma R. D. Varas. Grade 5 teachers, Ryan H. Let us remain standing for the singing of our Philippine National Anthem, followed by Christian and Muslim prayer, regional and general Samba City hymn to be led by the candidates for graduation.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
I love you, Lord. Oh, your mercy never fails me. All my days, I've been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the you are close like no other, and I have lived. And all my life you have been faithful.
at inipatiwan ng pulong bayan sa General Panginoon Santos. Kanyang kanina lakas at buhay, dito niya itinubos upang lahat na naninilahan, walang iman ay masisiyahan sa ating gusto na kung tawagin ni General Santos City. Muli tayo sa iwasan at pagsaya, maraming tao mula pagka sa umaga sa bawat gabi. Mga mundo ay nakikita sa taas, yan na magtutuwang siya mula dito sa ibang kota ko. Magkukainan ng mga tanawin, kailangan mabukihin nagatulerang talim na puno ng pinya at malasaging. Ngayon lahat ay may paglawan, Kristiyan, Muslim, Tibuli at Naan. Sa ating puso ay akong tawagin na General Santos City.
At this point, let us all lend our ears as we listen to the words of welcome by Xylee M. Sines with honors.
Principals of different schools of Tumblr District, our dear parents, fellow graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to all of you. Today marks another milestone in our journey as a learner. Graduation, the most significant event in our life. Since it is the end of this stage in our elementary education, it brings us a mixture of joy and pain. Joy for reaching our goals and pain for saying goodbye to the people who become part of our lives. Thank you, God, for all the blessings. To our dear parents, honored guests, it is my pleasure.
As we embark on this momentous occasion, it is only fitting that we begin with words of wisdom and inspiration from someone who embodies the spirit of education and mentorship. Our opening message will be delivered by none other than our Master Teacher 1, Ma'am Bella B. Adulacion.
Thank you, Ms. MC. To our proactive DepEd officials led by our school's division superintendent, Sir Isagani S. De La Cruz, says, learn how to manage your time and priorities in life. Tandaan niyo yan, mga bata. As one of your mentors, I hope and pray that the values and learnings we taught will be carried and be observed within you. To the parents, always remember that we are partners in educating your children. Kayo po ang unang naging teacher nila sa bahay. Your child is the reflection of your home. Your child defines the character you practice at home. Sinabi ko na ito sa kiddie graduation. It takes a village to educate a child. Ano ba ibig sabihin nito? So it means, hindi lang school ang magtuturo sa kanila, no? Sa mga kabataan natin. Kundi, kayo rin mga magulang, ang buong komunidad, kung ano ang nakikita nila sa paligid, ay siya rin namang susundin nila. Kung maganda ang influensyang nakikita nila sa komunidad, ay siya rin ikabubuhay nila. Bring your child to God and you will enjoy the benefit of His faithfulness and unconditional love. To the graduates, always wear your good manners and values because you are the one to create your good future and to build a better nation. Congratulations, my dear parents and graduates, for the good job you did. Thank you and God bless you all.
Thank you, Ma'am Belle. This time, let us hear a special message from the mother of Tumbler District, none other than our Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Evangeline S. Ortiz.
To our guest speaker, Engineer Brian Galindo, and to our SPTA President, Sir Jordan Tuong, and to our very proactive and intelligent Principal of FBR Elementary School, Ma'am Sus Nitalin, and Dr. Irene Brasileño, the Principal of INAIS, to the members of the faculty and staff of FBR Elementary School, our proud parents, our graduating class for this school year, and to all friends there, ladies and gentlemen, pleasant morning to everyone. Good morning. Okay. My task today, I'm going to deliver the message of our schools division superintendent, Isaganis de la Cruz Sesofine. But before giving to you his message, please allow me to extend my warmest congratulations to our graduating class for this school year. Palakpakan natin yung mga sarili, guys. Palakpakan din natin ang ating mga magulang. And of course, wala natin kalimutan. We have to acknowledge and let us give our hands to our teachers and staff. Okay. Of course, they are headed by our very intelligent, kind, and proactive Principal, Ma'am Susni Talib. This is the message of our Schools Division Superintendent, Isaganis de la Cruz Sesofine. Ang aking pagbati sa mga minamahal na magulang, guro, mga kapwa ko tagapamahala at higit sa lahat, sa ating mga minamahal na mag-aaral. Ako po ay labis na nagagalak na magkaroon ng pagkakataong makapagbigay ng mensahe sa inyo sa napakagandang okasyon ito. Ang inyong pagtatapos ngayong panuloang taong 2023-2024. Sa araw na ito, hindi lamang natin ipinagdiriwang ang inyong tagumpay sa larangan ng edukasyon, kundi ipinamalas din natin ang pag-asa at potensyal ng kabataang Pilipino sa pagbuo ng isang matatag, makaunlad at makabagong Pilipinas. Ang bawat isa sa inyo ay may mahalagang papel na gagampanan sa kinabukasan ng ating bayan. Kayo ang magiging tagapagmana ng mga karunungang inyong natamo, tagapagtataguyod ng mga magagandang aral at kultura ng ating bansa, at tagapangalaga ng kalikasan at kapayapaan. Bilang kabataang Pilipino, kayo ay may liwanag at lakas upang baguhin at pagbutihin. De La Cruz Seso 5, nandito na po siya. Okay. Maraming salamat sa ating lahat.
Thank you, Dr. Evangeline S. Ortiz. We would like to acknowledge the presence of our Schools Division Superintendent, Sir Isagani S. De La Cruz, Seso 5. Sir, good morning.